how to convert BNB to USDT in OKX. So this step is also simple to follow. After you open up now your OKX app like this, now go to trade. After you come to trade, now tap on this 2 arrow. Now go and select convert. So from this option now tap on this USDT to select BNB instead of USDT. So let's say it not allow me. So just tap on this, the second one, this one, and select BNB. Go and select BNB, search for BNB. So here is it now. After you select BNB in this option, here is USDT. So tap on this arrow to switch. So now you are converting from BNB to USDT. Now type in the amount of the USDT of the BNB you want to convert to USDT in this option. Let's say I want to convert 5 BNB to USDT. So I'll be receiving this amount of USDT. If you tap on this preview, it will give you another option which says convert. After you tap on the convert, now you converted your USDT into BNB. If you in your BNB into USDT, if you want to see the amount, just go to this asset button. You'll be able to see the amount of the USDT you get by converting your BNB to USDT. And that's it, guys.